Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Standard Notes on your Android device step by step. Standard Notes is a secure note-taking app that uses end-to-end encryption to protect your notes while keeping them synchronized across all of your devices. So let's get started. First, unlock your Android phone or tablet and open the Google Play Store. Tap the search bar at the top of the screen, type Standard Notes, and search for the official app published by Standard Notes. Next, tap the app from the search results to open its download page. Review the app details if you'd like, then tap the Install button to begin downloading and installing the application on your device. Wait for the installation to finish. The download time will depend on your internet connection, so keep your device connected to Wi-Fi or a stable mobile data network until the process is complete. Once the installation is finished, tap Open to launch Standard Notes. If you already have an account, sign in using your email address and password. If you're a new user, tap Create Account and follow the on-screen instructions to register before signing in. After logging in, your encrypted notes will automatically sync across your devices, and you can begin creating new notes, organizing your content, and customizing your preferences directly from the app. And that's it. You now know how to install Standard Notes on Android and start taking secure, encrypted notes wherever you go. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.